Hello Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 12th to 18th October. Sagittarius, hopefully we'll have some awesome stuff. So let's see Sagittarius, what's there, being a general reading. Not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Also, this is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising. Could check those videos as well. Sorry, I'll just shuffle once more. So Sagittarius, hopefully we'll have some awesome stuff. Let's start. Six of Swords, moving away, travel. Okay, the Judgment. I remember getting this, one or two cards last week also. Ace of Wands. Okay, this is Five of Swords, Knight of Wands, and the Ace of Pentacles. So basically it's like moving away from turbulent times to calmer shows. This is what Six of Swords. So moving away from a job which was not which was not good for you, which was not satisfying you, or it was a stuck situation, whatever it is. So this, you are still on the journey of moving away, or you have decided to move away, because after that we get this just Judgment card. So you will decide now to move away from a partnership. You will decide to move away from certain job which was disappointing for you. So you will make a decision, you will get an inner calling, you will follow your inner calling, and you will decide or to move away from a certain situation. It could be partnership, it could be an association, it could be a job. So but you need to understand that you are moving away to the calmer shores, to a better place from here. There has been difficulties, Saggis, so you're moving away from certain difficult situation. Now somehow I feel this could resonate to you in your personal life too. You could make a decision here, something from your past. You could decide to either forgive someone and move on, or it's an inner calling, a decision you will take which you were trying to delay that decision. So it's the right time now to take the decision, otherwise the universe is gonna step and take the decision for you. So when the universe steps, it's not gonna be easy. So if you have any decision which you have been delaying, and it is like people are waiting for you on a certain decision, you need to take that decision now, and that will also help you move to calmer shores. This is what I get here. Then you have Ace of Swords. There is new beginnings. So if there is a certain project, there is a creative project, certain new business idea, a venture, that is what I feel here. But you are in conflicting mind. You feel that your people won't support you, the person with whom you want. So there are a lot of conflicting thoughts about a new business that you want to begin. Maybe it is you or the people around you also that I feel do not support you, or you are not getting that support that you seek from the people. It could be your partner, it could be in your office situation, there could be politics. So it could be a new project, a new business venture, a new enterprise, whatever you want to begin with. New beginnings card here. So but you could feel like the cooperation that you are seeking, you will not get. But it is like you need to open up here and put your opinion, put your words, and put your ideas there. Hopefully they will, if you want, or you should go solo with this, because this is a positive card. Either you should, if you are in a position to go solo, you should go solo with this project here, or you need to give a piece of your mind, and things will change. They will understand why you are so interested in this project, why do you want this project, and it is definitely card of new beginnings. It will, if you grow, and it's a high potential, opportunity, or yeah. So I'm getting, so if maybe there is an opportunity, an offer coming to you here regarding something which is new here. So you could be in two minds whether to go for it or not. So that is what, listen to your inner calling, listen to your intuition. That will help you move forward with the decision. The Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands is like some news or some information is coming, rushing to you. It could be a change. This calls for a change in the daily routine, change in the the location, change in travel. Suddenly you need to travel somewhere. Suddenly you are working on a project and things, you get a news that you need to work on something else. So change is coming either in your daily life, in your physical way, or you could be doing a lot of work. That is, it could be in your mind too, that you have hundreds of ideas and you want to work on all of them. So this card is showing that do not rush into situations, go slow. That is what I get with this energy here. But something, a message could come, an information could come very fast to you, which will bring out a change here. You need to, maybe some of you might need to move places, might need to travel somewhere else. So this is what I get. Suddenly there will be some changes in plan with the Knight of Wands. It's very quick, it's rushing. Ace of Pentacles. So Ace of Pentacles, somewhere I feel that this is blessing. Money coming in for some of you, money for a project that you want to, maybe some of you are thinking about this project. If you have conflicted that where is the money coming from, so you will be getting resources. This is the divine help, somebody helping you out with money, or resources. If you're a skilled person, you are looking. So Ace of Pentacles is a card of blessings here, helping you start a project. Some of you, it's a job offer for some of you here, which will help you in your monetary situation, help you better your monetary situation here. And this is divinely guided, that is what I get here. So you have two aces here. See, two aces. Definitely good things are coming to you, Saggy. That is what I get here. New job offer, new partnership, new business collab, new projects coming to you, which will help you in your financial condition later. Also, some of you getting money here to start off, a business, a project. If you are waiting for, this is what I get here. So Ace of Pentacle, only in the Pentacle card we have this Ace of Pentacle here. So sudden money for some of you. Otherwise, whatever you have been earning, Saggis, that will come with you. That is there. So this week is, of course, there is a lot of travel with the Knight of Wands, with the Six of Swords. You have a lot of travel here. Some of meetings related to work, related to job. Meeting people, different exchanging ideas. That is what I get here. Yeah, so this is it. So let me now just pull out an angel guidance card, Saggy. Let us see what the angels need. Battle of the Blue. So this is like the steps towards positive change. So step toward positive change. So take steps one by one and towards positive changes. It will take you towards the desired goal and success that you look for. So this is it, Saggy. If you do like my reading, subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and thank you so much. Stay blessed.